Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. Once again I'm here with a useful video where I will give you complete overview of Immutable X token. So let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video, because every day we are uploading video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency. That's why never hesitate to like our video, type your idea in the comment section and share this video with all your friends. As I told you, in this video I will give you complete review about Immutable X token, Nft Marketplace or first layer 2 Nfts on Ethereum network. So this coin is the best coin for long term if you want to hold it. So you can hold it for mid-term like 6 months, 5 months, and you can get 2x, 3x profit. So this token is on Ethereum network and the current price is $5. If you want to buy it now, so just wait for today or tomorrow, wait for New Year. We can see Bitcoins or the market a little more correction. So on that time you can buy it from lower. So this is the official website of Immutable X token. In here you can upload your NFT with zero gas fees. You know there are lots of NFT marketplace, like we have SolSea, Solana Art, OpenSea, but the gas fees is too much. If we talk about OpenSea, so on OpenSea the gas fees is with Ethereum. You know Ethereum gas fees is too much. Anyone cannot just afford it. So in Immutable X the gas fees is zero. Here you can check. Experience zero gas fees, instant trades and carbon neutral NFTs for marketplaces, games and applications without compromise. Build your NFT business in hour with our APIs. So in here without any fees, with zero gas fees, you can trade your NFT, you can buy and sell NFT. These are the investors that invested in Immutable X. You can see Nispers, Galaxy, Coinbase. So this is all the investor. This is the important part of this token, a limitless exchange protocol. The future of assets trading is digital. We are ensuring NFTs are traded in an open, decentralized ecosystem secured by Ethereum. Zero gas fees for peer-to-peer trading. If you are just trading NFTs, so there is zero gas fees. Set your own trading fees. Even you can set your own trading fees, like how much trading fees you want to pay. No custodial risk. Users keep their private key. Massive scalability up to 9,000 TPS transaction per second. Not a centralized sidechain, secured by Ethereum. A true layer 2 inheriting security of layer 1. Any NFT that is created or traded on Immutable X is 100% carbon neutral. Immutable X Mint, high performance minting. If you are going to mint your NFT in here, fast track your product with Immutable X Mint, a secure way to create and distribute assets on a massive scale. Create ERC721 and ERC20 tokens designed for single and bulk minting, zero gas cost, assets tradable instantly, same security as mined Ethereum. So this is the process, or this is the high performance of NFT minting. I can say this is the feature of Immutable X. Unlock massive scale. Our engine supports over 9,000 transactions per second, a 600x improvement over native limits. Zero gas fees. Remove the economic constraint. Neither you nor your users will pay gas fees for minting or exchanging assets. It means there is no fees for changing your assets, minting your NFT. User maintained custody, play to earn ready. Don't let fees for creating and exchanging assets limit what you can do. Our pricing is affordable and transparent for all meta system. Instant transaction, minting, buying, selling and transferring assets on Immutable is faster than the time it took you to read this sentence. Sidechain suck, and then we have metadata order, carbon neutral NFT. All NFTs traded on Immutable X are completely carbon neutral, offsetting the carbon footprint with certified climate conscious partners, trace and cool effect. So this is the features of Immutable X token. If we see the Immutable X token or tokenomics announcing Immutable X, the native utility token of the Immutable X protocol, be rewarded for your contribution to Ethereum's first roll-up for NFTs. Here you play to earn. You can play a game and you can earn the token. And if we scroll down, Immutable X is powering Ethereum's NFT ecosystem. Here you can see this is all the powering Ethereum NFT ecosystems for Immutable X. You can see OpenSea, which is the famous NFT marketplace. What can you do with Immutable X? This is the tokenomic. Governance: use your Immutable X to vote on the future of Immutable X. Proposals will be published on a snapshot and will relate to the future development and expansion of the protocol. Transaction fees: 20% of the protocol fee on every Immutable X transaction must be paid in IMX. If you do not currently own IMX, Immutable will convert the fee by purchasing IMX on the open market. So the transaction fees will not be with USDT, Ethereum, any other cryptocurrency. You should have the coin of Immutable X in order to pay the transaction fees. Staking: all fees paid in IMX are sent to the staking reward pool. Users can earn a proportional share of this rewards pool by staking their IMX. So the transaction that you are paying Immutable X token to them, so the developer will transfer it to staking and they will give reward to its holder. How does staking work? All Immutable X held on layer 2 is automatically staked if you have voted on a proposal and owned or traded a layer 2 NFT in the last 13 days. Your stake: if you are staking 100 Immutable X token, then your stake represents 1% of total stake. It means you just stake your 1%. Staked by all users. All users are staked just 10,000 and you are staking 100 Immutable X. It means 1% of the coin you are staked here. Staking rewards pool: 50,000 Immutable X rewarded to you 500. It means if you stake this much, then you will get a 500 Immutable X as a reward. How do I earn Immutable X? Trade NFTs. User can earn Immutable X by completing actions which benefit the protocol, such as trading. You need to trade NFTs, means buying and selling NFT. Like this, you can get Immutable X token for free. Earn points. Every rewarded actions will earn a certain amount of points. Receive Immutable X rewards. The daily rewards pool will allocate it proportionally to each user's point. I don't know the pronunciation. Immutable X supply: there will be a total of 2 billion Immutable X created, issued and distributed by Digital Worlds NFTs, a partner of Immutable X. The Immutable X token will be distributed in the following areas: 51.74% is for ecosystem development, 25% of the coin is project development, and 19.26% is token sales, and 4% is foundation reserve. How does the rewards pool work? Each day the protocol will allocate a certain amount of Immutable X to the rewards pool. 100 point. If you have 100 point, so the total points are 1 lakh point, 100,000, and you earn 0.1%. Daily reward pool: 10,000 points and you earn 10 points. It means therefore you earn 0.1% of the daily reward, which is 10 points. This is the NFT marketplace of Immutable X. In here simply click on marketplace, then you will see this page. So in here you will find all the NFT collections, NFT that users are just putting for sale, and you can trade your NFT here. Even you can upload your NFT and just sell your NFT in Immutable X marketplace. So this is the featured NFT, TikTok top movements, Gods Unchained. This is all the featured NFTs. You can see Moody Crows, Strobe Rose. So here if you scroll down, all collections, this is all the collections of NFT that the users just uploaded on marketplace of Immutable X. As I told you, in here the gas fees is 0. So then scroll down, you will find all about NFT. This is all the beautiful NFT, amazing NFT, and you can find it very cheap, super cheap. So how you can buy this NFT? So to buy any NFT, you need to connect your wallet. If you have MetaMask wallet, then that's fine. Simply click on connect wallet, and then in here sign in with your wallet if you have MetaMask or Magic, or create a new wallet. So I have MetaMask wallet, so simply click on it and then wait for a while, and you need to log into your MetaMask wallet in order to connect it. Now in here, unlock Immutable X, connect your Ethereum wallet, sign in with your Ethereum wallet, set up your Immutable X key, connect wallet, simply click on it. Then in here, connect with MetaMask. Select your wallet, whether you want to connect it with any of them, simply select it and then click next, then connect. Okay, connecting your MetaMask wallet with Immutable X. So simply click on sign in. Now in here, a signature request, again click on sign. Now this is just signing to your MetaMask wallet, and this is connecting with Immutable X. Okay, finally awaiting signature. Okay, here you can see our wallet is connected with Immutable X. You can see in here, let me show you, a disconnected wallet. It means our wallet is connected. Now how you can buy any NFT? Suppose I want to buy this NFT, simply click on it. Now in here you can see all the items for sale. This is all the NFT, and you can see check the price. This is the price of each NFT. 0.0072 Ethereum, 0.0076 Ethereum. So this is all the NFT price. So suppose I want to buy this one, click on it. Okay, in here you can buy it now, but for now you can see I don't have any Ethereum on my wallet. So if you have Ethereum on your wallet, then this buy now button will be available for you. Simply click on it, buy now. Once you click on it, then complete the transaction. Like this, you can buy NFT, and your NFT will be on your MetaMask wallet. So now if we check the price or the market cap of Immutable X token on CoinMarketCap, so you can see the current price is 4.98, near to $5, and in 24 hours the price increased 2.92%. The ranking of this token is 97, and the market cap is 936 million. The daily volume is 17 million, and the circulating supply is 188 million. The maximum supply or the total supply of this coin is 2 billion. So from where you can buy this token? Yeah, if you are interested to this token, because this token is amazing. I can see 100% potential to this token, because this is the first layer 2 NFTs on Ethereum without any fees, with zero gas fees. So that's why in long term, if we just think about it in long term, so we can see the price of this token near to $10, $15. So you can buy this token on this centralized exchange. Here you can see centralized and decentralized exchange, like we have Uniswap, SushiSwap, and then we have centralized exchange like KuCoin, Coinbase, Huobi. So if you have account on any of these exchanges, then buy this token. So because this is the best time to buy this token. Let's check this one. This token has 80,000 holders, total 80,000 holders, and this is the contract address of the token. If you want to buy it on decentralized exchange, so make sure to copy this contract address. And then if you see the transaction, you can see on each minute people are buying this token. 1 minute ago people just bought this much quantity of token. You can see on each minute people are buying this token. This is the official Twitter of Immutable X, so make sure to follow it and click on bell icon in order to get update. You can see the total followers are 176,000, and in here on Twitter you will get all the updates about Immutable. Everything you will get in this Twitter. If you want to buy this token, so here you can see the chart. So I just make ready everything to just to not waste your time. You can see this is the chart, and in here the red color is the support zone and the green color is the resistance. So if you want to buy this token, so here you can see the 4 support level, $4.76, $4.57, $4.27, and $4. So here if you buy it from $4, so I think you are lucky, because in $4 I don't think it will go down from $4 to. And then the resistance is $5.22, $5.7, $6.7, and $8.3. This is the resistance. If you want to cash out your profit according to this resistance line, you can cash out your profit once it come down, then buy it again. So this is the chart of Immutable X token, the buy zone and the sell zone. So this is all about Immutable X token, everything I just explained in this video. I hope you understand. If you have any problem or question, please feel free to ask me in a comment section. Our video is just end up here. Make sure to like our video, type your idea about this token in a comment section, and still did not subscribe to our channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.